Today on Keeping It Realtor, we're going to be talking about how many homes you should look at before buying one. I'm Logan Queen with the Jennifer Queen Real Estate Team and RE/MAX Professionals, and today on Keeping It Realtor, we are going to be talking about how many homes you should see before buying one. Really, there's no set number. It could be one house, it could be 50 houses, it could be 100. It's going to come down to finding the right property, the property that you feel suits you the best, the property that fits as many requirements as you want, in the price range that you want, in the area you want. And sometimes it takes one home, sometimes it takes 50. There is no set number. My biggest recommendation would be, if you do find the house you're looking for, stop looking altogether. Once you make an offer, once you find the house, once you get it, don't keep watching the market, because there's always gonna be something else that comes up that you can say what if about, but without seeing it and seeing what is on the market at the time that you are purchasing, just know if you find the right place, you'll know when you see it. Do you have a question you'd like us to answer that we haven't? Please add it to the comments below and we'll try to get to it. We plan on putting out a lot of content this year, so if you'd like to learn more about real estate in Winnipeg, please like our channel and subscribe below. Again, I'm Agent Logan. If you have any questions or want help with real estate in Winnipeg, feel free to contact us. We're always willing to help. We plan on putting out a lot of content this year, so